All the reasons why you should get multiple income funnel with 5 income streams, and you only have to advertise one link. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. First of all, if you go in here, well, it says start there, but you go in here, it shows you all the links that you get. Basically, each link is attached to a capture page, but they call them links. And there's lots of them in here, and you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you got your training, which is all included with the system. First of all, you got weekly training, then you got market system training, which is really something. I mean, look at all the training you can get to be a better marketer. That's all included. And you don't have to do this all at once. You can do as many as you got time for and then come back and do some more. Just keep doing it as you got time. Then you come back into your training again. Then you got your 7-step training. Now, this year you should do before you get started advertising. First of all, they say lesson 1. Well, basically that means work on your personality. Then you got lesson 2, which shows you how and where to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. It doesn't take much, but it does take some. And then lesson 7, there's some bunch more bonuses in there that you can take a look at once you're in there. Now, if you exit the training and go back in there, if you go there, it shows you all your teams. And if you go in here, once you start advertising all your leads, and you get an email with each one of them, so be sure to follow up with them because they want you to follow up. The company follows up, but they still want to hear from you if you want to work with them. Then if you go to the leaderboard, it shows you all the people that are on the leaderboard. And then if you go to resources, basically resources is follow-up, samples of follow-up emails that you can use. You can use them or you can use your own, whatever you feel like. But you should definitely, like I say, you should definitely follow up because they want to hear from you. They want more information before they join. If you don't do that, they probably aren't going to join. Then you go in there and it shows you all the businesses you got. And then you go in there and that's a bonus income stream, which I'll show you later if I don't forget. Okay, I think that pretty well covers what now. I guess you want to see. So if you go in here, it says start here. You go in here and Matt will explain the system to you. And then if you decide you want to get started, first of all, you should watch that, Matt do that. And then right now they have a special. It's usually $97. Right now they have a special on for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. So, I mean, and if you want it to go yearly, it's $350, but you make a $200 commission. That's the route I took because you don't have to worry about it for a whole year. And you do make more commission, and it saved you some money. Then you got step 2 and step 3. If you can put your own opportunities in if you have some. And if you don't have any yet, you can take a look at the ones I got. And if you like them, you can use them. They're each under $10 a month. And then you got Traffic Authority, which is where you can get leads. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you can get really good leads there. Oh, I forgot to tell you, Multiple Income System has been in business for over 4 years, so they're a legit company. Okay, I think that pretty well covers everything. I didn't tell you about the bonus, did I? And then I got the bonus income, which is another place where I get leads. For $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and if you get somebody in under that, then you get another 100 leads. So you could have 200 leads a day. The end of the month, you could have 6,000 leads, and that still was only costing you $30. And you make a little commission if you bring somebody in. And the system also allows you to do follow-up emails with them, not follow-up, advertise to them. It's all included in the system. So that is a great thing. So once you come in there, make sure you take a look at that. Okay, now let me show you what I told you about all the prices already. So that may be about all I have to tell you now. So if you want to get started, you go there, and I'm going to put my link under the video that shows you how, about doing the videos explaining the system. And with that same link, you can also join. So hopefully you'll join. And I'm hoping you people are having great weather. We're still having great weather here. And be sure to like my video and also subscribe to my channel. So I think that's all I'm going to say for today, this week, and we'll talk to you again another time. So bye for now.